Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you an incredible trick. Transforming these simple, rusty pieces of rebar, often overlooked as scrap, into a powerful, versatile tool for your workshop. I'm measuring and marking it carefully, then bending it into a solid U shape using my homemade bending jig. I'm repeating this process to create identical U-shaped sections. This will form the main structural frame of our tool. I use a square ruler to ensure the dimensions are perfectly accurate. I'm using a ruler for marking, which is crucial for the stability of the tool. Next, I cut some of the rebar sections that I had marked. I will arrange them evenly and weld them into one of the U-shaped pieces, forming a crab claw-like structure. I'm taking my time to make strong welds here, because this part will be under a lot of pressure later on. After welding, I always use a chipping hammer and wire brush to clean off the slag so I can inspect the joint. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. I'll also weld a small flat piece across the prong for added support. I'm adding more reinforcing bars across the frame. These cross braces are super important because they provide rigidity, preventing the frame from twisting or bending when we apply heavy loads. To create a solid base of the tool, I'm cutting a section of square metal tubing. I'll weld the entire rebar frame securely onto these tubes. I'm making sure every connection point is fully welded and cleaned up. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. Moving on to the clamping mechanism, I'm taking a small piece of square tubing, drilling a hole through the center, and cutting a slit in one side. This creates a custom sliding block. I take a thick, threaded rod, grind down the end slightly. I'm welding a ground threaded rod to a small block of metal with a hole. This block will allow the pressing pad to swivel slightly. I'm placing the newly created threaded rod into the clamp to find the perfect center alignment. Once it's perfectly positioned, I weld the threaded rod to the base to hold the sliding plate securely in place. Next, I'm making the pressing pad itself. I need to make a sliding guide for the bottom plate. I mark and cut a smaller piece of flat steel. Next, I will mark the sheet of steel with diamond-shaped patterns. Using an angle grinder, I will gently shape it. The textured surface of the diamond plate will provide excellent grip, preventing materials from slipping out of the clamp while I'm working on them. A few final tap welds and a good cleanup, and the construction is complete. Let's test out our homemade heavy-duty clamp. I place a metal bar onto the base, slide the pad over, and crank down the handle. Look how tightly it grips. The material is completely immobilized, allowing me to safely and precisely make multiple cuts with my angle grinder without any movement or vibration. This tool is incredibly powerful and versatile. If you enjoyed this DIY project and found it inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.